Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the 3 miles overpass. That's the overpass you see straight ahead. It's a double overpass and it's built at the intersection of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road. So we're heading up Spanish Town Road towards Halfway Tree. We just came off the Portmore Expressway. That's where the video started. And we are going over the overpass now. So this overpass was built because this intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. And it's a double overpass. So the higher overpass is the Hagley Park Road overpass. That's the one we're on. The lower overpass is the Spanish Town Road overpass. And then below that overpass you have the ground level, the original intersection. Alright, so we're going to take Hagley Park Road up to Halfway Tree now. Now, Hagley Park Road was recently renovated. It was part of the major infrastructure development program or project, and it was an excellent project. A lot of the main roads in Jamaica were renovated. You had Constant Spring Road, Marcus Garvey Drive, Mandela Highway, Hagley Park Road, Constant Spring Road. Outside of the building of the highways, I would say it was one of the best road projects in modern times. Now, outside of the building of the highways, that is. So it was very successful. The project cost $322 million US, and these roads, main roads or major roads, were renovated. Well done. I mean, the flow of traffic is much better along these thoroughfares. But the project ended. Now, project was a joint venture between China Exim Bank, which provided 85% of the funding, and the Jamaican government, which provided 15%. So when we said the project ended, all the roads were fixed and everything that was supposed to be done through the project was done. So basically, the question has been asked, and it's been asked for quite a few years now. I think the last road was finished in 2019 or 2017. Why don't we have another one? There's so many more roads that need to be built. I mean, we need to be fixed. Why don't we come with another project like this? I really don't remember which government started it. It doesn't matter, because when it comes on to these projects, like the building of the highways, if one government starts it, when another one comes into power, they continue it because it's for the good of the country. So it doesn't matter which government started it or which government it ended with. I think we should get another project like that. Identify the roads, work out the costs, and get it done. I mean, the government is working on the highways. The Southern Coastal Highway is being built from Harborview to Port Antonio. The Northern Coastal Highway is going to be expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes in between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. And Highway 2000 is continuing. The Maypen to Mandeville leg is under construction. And when that's finished, you're going to have the Mandeville to Montego Bay leg. So those main highways are being built. So that's good. I mean, it costs money. So I don't know if they're waiting till those highways are finished to start another project for the main roads, but it's something that's definitely needed. And A lot of persons have asked what's next in terms of the MIDP project. I mean, it was very successful. It worked. I mean, I'm not sure what the repayment terms are with the China Exim Bank, but anytime you use the China Exim Bank is involved, the contractor is always a Chinese contractor, which is China Harbor Engineering Company. I'm not sure what the arrangement is but that's how it is. When China Exim Bank gives the loans, they use their contractor, or it's stipulated somewhere in the contract that they must use their contractor. So, but it works. Jamaica gets the roads fixed. The government gets a loan to fix them, and it works. Similar thing with the building of the highways. Jamaicans get to use the roads. Foreign investors build the highways, and they collect toll off the roads to repay for the building of the highway. But I should just point out that it's Highway 2000, that project, when I talk about the tolls, because the Southern Coastal Highway won't be charging tolls. The Northern Coastal Highway doesn't charge tolls. So it's just the Highway 2000 project, and that project was the first of its kind in Jamaica to build these highways. A lot of persons said it couldn't be done. A lot of persons said you couldn't get the investors. A lot of persons even said Jamaicans won't pay toll. But the highways have worked out great. We just came off the Portmore Expressway, which is a part of the Highway 2000 project, and there are hundreds of cars using it. That question about will Jamaicans pay toll has been answered, and even as the toll rates increase, persons still use the highways. It's so convenient. It's definitely a step forward for Jamaica in terms of progressing. So hopefully another MIDP project will come along soon, and I'm sure the government wants to do it. It's just, I guess they're waiting on the highways or the financing, but nonetheless, that project was a major success, and a lot of persons are asking for part 2. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Also, leave your comments in the section below. We love to get your feedback. Alright guys, have a good day.